Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find symmetry rulers on the Ibis Paint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my canvas, and if you want to use another rules, click to the second icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the two ruler option, the simple rulers and the symmetry rulers. For example, if I want to use the sixth option, click that, and you can find so many options with that. And you can use these rulers, for example, make buildings or make backgrounds, because that's so simple with that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.